This video I will be showing you how to change video to black and white color in Canva. For example, you can see this video right here. I'll be showing you how to change the color of it to black and white. All you'll need to do is simply select the video page. So after you have selected the page like you see right here, you'll simply tap on the page, and once it is selected, you're going to tap right where you see edit video from the top left hand corner of the navigation bar. After doing that, you're going to see the option filters on the left hand menu option right here, and you're going to tap on see all. Once you have tapped on see all, I want you to scroll down and you're going to select mono, and you have two different options. You can either select grayscale and you can see how it looks right there, or you can select street. For this example, we will be using street. After you have selected that, you can increase or decrease the intensity based on your liking, as you can see right there. So if I were to increase it to, for example, let's say 80% and tap on play, you can see how it looks right there. And another thing that you can also use to adjust it is by simply scrolling up. You could go back, then tap on adjust. After selecting adjust right here beside effects, from here you could scroll down, and right where you see saturation, you can pull along right here to adjust it. You can also adjust other features right here. Once everything is to your liking, you can tap on share in the top right hand corner, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.